Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing and information video, some measurements and comparisons against the Surge, which is what the video is about, to the Gen 3 Milwaukee ONYX quarter-inch hex impact driver. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so here is the Surge quarter-inch hex hydraulic driver 2760-20. We're going to unbox this, going to weigh it, measure it, all that good stuff. We're also going to, just because I'm curious and I think it might be a good video to try, we're also going to kind of take a look at, compare it against the 2857-20, which is the ONYX Gen 3 fuel quarter-inch hex driver. Let me grab some batteries. So I got a 8 compact 3. Got a regular 5, a 6, and a 12. You know, unlikely that you guys are gonna put a 12 on one of these, but I always measure it, weigh them with a 12 as well, just because you guys might be interested in that information. So these are the batteries we're going to measure and weigh with it. Why this tripod keeps doing that, I don't know. Let's move this one over here. Let me get the scale, and then we'll get it busted open. There's the scale right here. So, specifications on the side of the box. And I picked this up for $129, so it was $140 out the door with tax, $11 in tax. If it was normal price, it would have been about $190 out the door, and the tax probably would have been a little bit higher, so it would have been probably almost 200 bucks. But specifications: 4-mode drive control, yes. RPM 0 to 3,000, which means it's got a variable speed trigger. Plus it's got the 4 different modes. Impacts per minute, or IPM, is 0 to 4,000. Sustained fastening torque, 450 inch-pounds. Length is 5.0 inches. Weight is 2.1 pounds. They got the mumbo jumbo on the back. So let's cut it open. This right here is the actual information that they give it in the store. So if you're at Home Depot and you are looking up in the rafters for a specific tool, you can always go to Home Depot's website and grab whatever tool you're looking at on the website, and it will give you this part number. This part number is designated to Home Depot for this item. So you can always look up 9991 in the rafters, or whatever tool it is. All of them have it. Like this light right here, this is the Rover M18 LED dual power floodlight. It's the 3000 lumen model. It lasts for 0309. So if you're looking up in the rafters for their overstock, you can always find this information on the app or on their website. So just figured it'd be helpful to let you guys know that. Just in case you don't want to, you get stuck waiting for an employee and the employee never shows up, or, whatnot. Not sure why there's very little packaging on this guy, but the box is empty. There was very little packaging. It was bouncing around in the box. So here's the instruction manual. I got another ticket code. So there's this guy that you can enter to win the 10-piece combo kit, and then this guy right here you can also submit for a 4-tool combo kit. So you just go to milwaukeetool.com/signup and you can just say what tool you bought and your email and information, and you can sign up for this one as well. So if you guys did not know, certain M18 tools, you get technically 2 entries to 2 different things: the 10-tool kit or a t-shirt, or the 4-tool kit and a charger and battery. Just set these aside. Pull it out of the box. This is basically all that was holding it in the box. It says Surge at the top. Already has the hook on it. And has a bit holder on the other side. I've noticed a lot of the one-key tools come with that setup, but not a lot of the M18 do. That's pretty nice. Does have the 3 modes plus the precision mode. So let's pull this back a little, move this down a little bit. We're gonna measure it. So from the bottom of the hook and the top of the tool, 8 1/4 inches long. To the bottom of the battery compartment, it is 7 1/2 inches. From the back of the tool to the front of the collet, it is 4 inches and 7/8 of an inch. Okay, we'll grab compact 3, measure it with a compact 3, and that's nice. This clip does allow the wider 21-700 cell batteries, which is nice. With a compact 3, it is 9 inches exactly, with a standard 5 amp hour. It is 9 1/2 inches. With a 6. It is 9 inches and 7/8 of an inch. The 6 and the 8 should be the same size. This is the 8. 9 7/8, yeah. Okay, and then a 12, which you'll more than likely never use this with a 12, but you know, I strive to give you guys the most information I can. It is 10 inches and 5/8 of an inch with the 12. Alright, so we're going to bring the scale in. It is 2 pounds, 5.2 ounces. I believe the box said it was 2.1 pounds. So it's a little heavier than what the box says, which is not bad. Okay, so with the compact 3, it is 3 pounds, 10.7 ounces. And all of these batteries are full. With a 5 amp hour, which is more than likely what you're going to use with it, it's 3 pounds, 14.9 ounces. I do need to get another scale that's easier for you guys to read. This is the 6. High output 6, which isn't too bad in weight. It's 4 pounds, 11.8 ounces. There you go. the 8. It's 4 pounds, 11.6. I'm not really sure why my 6 amp hours are 2 or so grams heavier, because this one's, the 6 was 4 pounds, 11.8, and the 8 amp hour for some reason is 4 pounds, 11.6 ounces. Not too sure, but it's always the same on the consistency on the weight. And then 12 amp hour, it is 5 pounds, 11.9. So it's about a pound heavier than the 6, the high output 6. And this guy is by itself again. It's 2 pounds, 5.2 ounces compared to the ONYX 3rd gen model 2857-20. It's 2 pounds, 4.4 ounces for that one. 2 pounds, 5.2 ounces. So it's the hydraulic surge is just slightly heavier. It's a little over 10 or so grams. It's not too bad. I tend to use the high output 3s a lot. I like the weight of them. It does have center is lock, so the trigger can't move. The trigger is actually a lot more stiff on the pull force than other tools. So this is what it sounds like on low. The air from the fan's actually hitting the back of my thumb, which is kind of nice. Speed 2. Speed 3. Precision. That's interesting how the fan is actually blowing all the air in my hand. It's pretty cool air. This guy right here is the ONYX model. It seems like the surge has a lower speed on 1. That's 1, 2, I just did 3. This is 4. Seems a little faster on. Yeah, the ONYX is definitely faster on speed 4, but the ONYX you can make speed 4 the highest RPM and highest IPM available. Or this guy has a precision mode. This guy doesn't. If you want to use precision mode on, you can put precision mode on any one of these numbers because you just can program it to do so. So I'm going to be giving this one a lot of use, see how well it works. I did get this as a recommendation because Neil the Maintenance Man did a video comparing the M18 Surge to the M12 Surge, and I was the one that asked him if he could do a video on that, which was really nice of him to be able to do a video on that for me and give me his opinions. I will leave a card up here to Neil from the Maintenance Man channel and I will also leave a video to his M12 and M18 Surge as well. So I just want to give him a shout out. I do appreciate you, Neil, giving me some advice and what you like and dislike about each model. I went and picked it up for $129, so it's a pretty good deal when it's normally $149. You know, so I saved roughly out the door. I paid $140. If it was $149, it would have been more like $160 or $70, maybe a little more. Could have been about $190 with tax. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around. The measurements on this guy, I'll measure it just with the 3 real quick. It's 9 inches exactly with the 3 on the 1 key model, and then I'll measure this guy with the 3 real quick. This guy is 8.78, so it is slightly smaller than the 1 key model, the 3rd gen 1 key model. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will do a review on this guy when I've had plenty of time to use it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Better yet, smash the bell notification icon if you guys want updates. Appreciate you guys watching. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Go check out my live stream I did on the live event from Milwaukee, which is the Milwaukee NPS 2020 event, which is known now called Pipeline. I have a live episode of episode 1 for you guys, as well as I left the links in there if you guys want to go check out any of those new tools coming out, pre-order any of them. I left some links for Ohio Power Tools and Acme Tools. Appreciate your guys' time, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!